Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the X-Halo headlights for the Jeep JL from RaceSport. These are a perfect fit, so you don't have to worry about making adjustments or finding brackets to fit. The X-Halos are crazy bright and add a totally different look to the front of your Jeep Wrangler. When compared to traditional ring halos, these really stand out in a crowd. Not only do these lights update your Jeep, but they also give you better visibility at night, especially when compared to OE or stock headlights. They have a high beam of 6,500 lumens and a low beam of 3,000 lumens. X-Halos have a rebreather, which helps with keeping out water and dispelling fog inside the headlight. As far as the installation goes, we rate this a 4 out of 10 and it'll take you about an hour. One thing to keep in mind if you're installing this yourself is it is a little bit tricky to get the grill out without breaking the tabs. And if you're not comfortable with wiring, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area to help you out. The X-Halo headlights for the Jeep JL from RaceSport have a 1-year warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the X-Halo headlights for the Jeep JL from RaceSport. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.